how are you all? Hope you are doing good. So today I will do unboxing of June Bling bag. Last month was my last 3-month subscription, and I asked you people that should I carry on this unboxing videos, and few of you commented that yes, you want to see this unboxing videos. So here I am for you people. So this box I received 2 days back, but on weekend I was a bit busy and somehow I couldn't manage the time to do this unboxing video. So now I'm so relaxed that finally I'm shooting this. Anyway, so let's get started to the unboxing of this video. So that's the box. This is how you get it, and when you open the box you have a lot of things inside. When you open it you get few cards, and then you get a pouch, and inside the pouch you usually get the blings. That means your jewelry pieces. So the first card is a very small cute message that smile, that jewelry looks gorgeous on you. So basically they are saying like just keep on smiling, and that is the jewelry that suits you more. That's the next card which you see in the box, and that's the June Shapeology Bling bag card. From the Shapeology concept or the theme, what I feel is you're gonna receive something related to shapes in this month. So I'll not read out completely because it might be boring, but I have just shown you the close-up so that you can just pause and read if you want. That's the next card which you receive, and this is the contest card in which you can participate following the instructions given, and then you can win exciting prizes. So that's the bag you want to get in this month's Bling bag. So this is cute black bag. I don't know whether they are going to send it in different colors because I got black. This has a bow here. That's the way you're gonna attach the belt, and then you can just carry it with your belt. So that's about the bag. Now let's dig into all the blings that I have received, because this is something you must be excited to know. This is the first piece from the Shapeology Collection, and these are in the shape of star, and it looks really gorgeous, and I'm gonna show you how it looks in a minute. Wow, that's the way it looks on me, and the shape and the diamonds, everything is so nice. It will go on any kind of dressing. It's not that only for particular traditional dresses or western. It can match on both of the dressing styles. So that's the first bling which I have received. Let's move on to the next one. Oh my god, I see the next one here. That's the neck piece. That was the second piece which I have received, and this is a bit long. It's nice. It's statement kind of neck piece. Now let's move on to the third piece. So the third piece which I have received is Paramount stack ring. You can actually use it in different styles. So I'll just show you the 3 rings which I have received, which you can either stack up or use it differently, however you want. So that's the way it looks when you just stack it up, because so this is the piece that's different, and that's the second piece. Oh my god, it just loses the focus. So that's the second piece, and that's the third piece. So that's the way it looks when you just stack them up together. And so this is how it looks when I just stack up both the rings, similar kind of rings. And if I don't want this, I just want a stone, then I can just go ahead and wear this stone. So I'm wearing all the 3 differently like this. Now let's move on to the last piece. Last piece is definitely a bracelet, because I have filled the profile that way that I received 1 ring, 1 neck piece, 1 earring, and 1 bracelet. So that's the way it looks, guys. So you have this kind of attachment here, wherein you can just put it inside. So that's easy actually. So that's the way it looks, and it has different kinds of shapes, which has circle and different shapes here. It's a bit loose for me. It just goes here. That it was a bit loose for me. I removed one section of that clips which are attached there, this kind of clips, and then it's now perfect for me. This is how it looks, and earlier it was going too down, so that's the way you can, you know, actually work with it if it's a bit loose for you. So yeah, those were all the jewelry pieces which I have received in my box. Hope you liked my unboxing video. If you have liked it, then please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Till that time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.